Hello. So I'm reading my life's most exhausting and beautifully written book. It is too beautifully written, too keenly written, जिसको अधूरा छोड़ देने का मन भी नहीं कर रहा है और पूरा पढ़ भी नहीं पा रही हूँ मैं. अभी I am on this page 318 of this chapter, chapter 5 of part 3 maybe. Chapter 5 of chapter 5 chapter 5 of part 4 of this book. And I'm stuck. 2 दिन से पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ लेकिन it is too heavy. It is too heavy on my nervous system that I can't finish it. The words Dostoevsky are making me question my whole life. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, but it is too much. It's just that his words are literally grabbing, picking on the problems I have been hiding from myself for a long time. The problems I don't want to talk about, the problems I don't want to feel anything about, are reoccurring on surface. And all because of this. पार्ट 4 का चौथा चैप्टर पढ़ने के बाद मेरा दिमाग काम करना बंद कर दिया. और उसके बाद से मैं 3 दिन हो गए हैं और बस इतना पढ़ पाई. The whole book will make you question your life, will make you question every single thing that is happening in the world, that is happening with yourself or something you have done to someone else. It will make you question everything you have lived so far. But for me, personally, the chapter 4 of part 4 in the book felt too heavy to digest. The only thing that I can say about this book is that it is easy to read and heavy to digest. It's literally 1.5 month, almost a half month. I started this book and I'm still this much left. Even when I'm talking about this, my head is hurting. Throughout the chapter, I hated, I cared for, and I thought that it is rational about the character of Raskolnikov. This guy was unbearable in this chapter. Unbearable. Like, on one page, I was thinking that this character is so rational and so relatable. And on the other page, I was like, fuck off, bro, why are you doing this? I don't know why he was like that. My nerves literally blew up when he said this to Sonia. And your worst sin is that you have destroyed and betrayed yourself for nothing. Isn't it fearful that you are living in this filth which you loathe so? And at the same time, you know yourself. You have only to open your eyes that you are not helping anyone by it, not saving anyone from it, anything. Tell me, he went on almost in a frenzy, how the shame and degradation can exist in you side by side with other opposite holy feelings. It would be better, 1,000 times better and wiser to leap into the water and end it all. Like, भाई तू क्यों किसी मजबूर इंसान के दिमाग की लगा रहा है? क्यों? क्यों? Like someone is just trying to get by this life. Someone is trying to fix their life and are caring for their own family members. Like, why are you being like this? I know that whatever you are saying is somehow logical, somehow correct. But please, how can you like she she is a delicate soul, sir. She is she is someone you should you shouldn't be messed with. You shouldn't be messing with. Like, am I using the correct grammar? I don't know. I don't know. But why would you say something like that to someone who is suffering enough already? Why are you being like that? And the irony is, see how much colorful highlighters I'm using in this book. Just, just, just to tell myself that it is not too much for me to handle. It is not too much for me to handle. I can handle this much. I'm handling my life. I can handle this much. Like, I am suffering in my own life already. And now I'm suffering on these people's behalf also. And they are literally fictional in a novel that is that is written years ago. Like, maybe I like suffering. I love suffering sometimes, not always, not always, sometimes. Like, दोस्तों इसकी why bro, why are you so depressed? Why are you so depressed? Like, why are you so depressed? And 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 even if you question your life, even if you question the whole world, please don't make me question myself. Don't make me question my own life. And उतना बोलना काफी नहीं था, तो ये आदमी आगे भी बोलता है. ठीक है. These two pages, the 300 and 311, 301. Like, I loved his character on 300. Okay, and hated him at 301. Like, I don't know why, but I can't like a male character for too long, even if it's in a novel. Because, as you can see, what kind of novels I'm reading. Why, bro? Why? Why would you? Why would you do that? Like, why are you telling that poor girl that she should end her life instead of trying? Like, I know that is logical. I know that is logical. But you don't have a right. You don't have a right to tell other people what should they do and what not. Just don't poke your nose in everyone's business. He's just meeting her for the second time in his whole life. and he's being like this. Like, why are you making her question her own her life decisions when you're just meeting her for the second time, for the first time alone? Like, why? Why are you doing that? Why? My brain is literally stuck here, and I can't get myself to read आगे. But I can't get myself to read forward. Why would you do that to a poor soul like her? ये सब बोलने के बाद इस आदमी का कारण क्या है पता है? ये सब कुछ बकवास करने का जो कारण है इस आदमी का, वो क्या है पता है? This is what he says. This is what he says. Haven't you done the same? You too have transgressed, have had the strength to transgress. You have laid hands on yourself. You have to destroy. You have destroyed a life, your own. It's all the same. Like, I know, bro, I know. But she didn't kill two people with a ex. She didn't. Like, like, she destroyed her own life. But still, why are you doing that? चमाट मत. सच में इतना गुस्सा आया है इस आदमी पे मुझे. अगर ये इंसान अगर हकीकत में होता ना तो चमाट पड़ती उसको. लाइक, क्यों बेचारी की जिंदगी में जहर घोल रहा है तू? नीच आदमी, कम है उसकी जिंदगी में पहले ही परेशानियां. लाइक, व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दैट? व्हाई? My head is spinning every single time I'm opening this book after this. On the first note, you are describing a girl who is delicate, who is hardworking, who is sensitive, who is trying to figure out a way for her family, for surviving in this world, yeah. And like, you should give you should you should give her some motivation, and you are throwing some harsh realistic facts on her face, like, take it girl, take it girl, take it. Like, the world was not enough to show you that how harsh this life can be. I'm going to tell you exact what you were thinking but was not able to understand, that what you should do with your life. Just go and jump in the water and end your life, end your miserable life, end your miserable life. Because you don't want this. You don't want this. I'm telling you don't want this. Okay? I'm telling you don't want this. And I know you want this. I'm not just the one who's making fantasies. You are the one who want this. And why, like, you, like, how am I supposed to read this one? 200 पेज बाकी है अभी भी. बस आज दिमाग खराब करके रख दिया यार मेरा. Like, क्यों? क्या क्या जरूरत थी उस बेचारी को जाके बोलने की? बिल्कुल. Like, Sonia's only problem, Sonia's only fault was that she is a poor soul. Her only fault is that she is a poor soul, and she is delicate, and she is a hardworking girl, and she is trying to get on. There is no fault of this girl. इस आदमी से मिलना ही गलती थी उसकी. ठीक है. पर लाइक, क्यों क्यों क्या क्या करना था? क्यों क्यों बेचारी के मुंह पे इतनी हकीकत के थेपड़े मार के आया तू? Sorry if I'm boring you. I just I just needed to vent. I wanted to vent it out. Okay. I'm just I was too exhausted after reading that chapter that if I'm not going to talk about it, I'm going mad. I will go mad. Okay? Like, bro, why? Why? Like, I know you think that you are superior and whatever you have done was for a superior purpose and everything else. But you shouldn't be doing like that. Like, उस बेचारी के मुंह पे ये हकीकत का च्यवनप्राश मल के तुझे क्या मिलेगा? क्या मिले? सबको उसको पता है कि दुनिया बुरी है यार। तू क्यों उस बेचारी की जिंदगी में और जहर घोलने गया था वहाँ पे? और ऊपर से वो 2 औरतें जो मर गई उसमें से एक इसकी सहेली थी बेचारी की। लाइक क्या क्या चाहता क्या है तू नीच आदमी? लाइक आई this is a great novel. Okay, this is a great novel. That's why I am so exhausted. Like, why can't I just admire a man in a novel more than 2 3 like why? Like he literally was so sweet on 300, and now he's an asshole on 301. Like, bro, why? I thought he will be a a good natured or a source of a source of peacefulness for this girl who had just lost her father, and he is doing this, rubbing it on her face, like you should die, you should just go, and you should just go and jump in the water. भाई तू चाहता क्या है? तू मर जा बेमतलब में उस बेचारी की जिंदगी उसके क्यों दिन खराब करने पे तुला हुआ है तू? वैसे ही खराब चल रहे हो उसके दिन बेचारी के। Like I am feeling better now. Like I am feeling better now because it was too much for me to digest. Okay, for 3 days I'm trying to finish the 5th chapter of part 4 in this book, but I couldn't. Not because it is not good; it is good. But my brain is stuck on that 301 page. Like, bro, you can be a sweet guy. Like, I know you're poor. I know you're miserable. I know this world is not doing justice to you. I know that. And I totally sympathize with you. I do. I have done. For 300 pages. I was I was sympathizing with you. I was relating with you. This world is full of assholes. But but why can you? Why are you doing this to this girl, yaar? Why? There is no reason for you to do that. Like किसी और का दिमाग खा रहे बाबा जाके क्यों बेचारे के दिमाग की लंका लगा रहा है? Maybe I shouldn't be reading Dostoevsky. I should have just stopped myself after White Nights and Notes from the Underground, because that's the only levels I can manage to handle, I think. But like I was being good for 300 pages, but but this Raskolnikov guy, इसका बाप मरा है यार एक दिन पहले तो। एक तो वैसे ही उसकी जिंदगी की बेचारी की लगी पड़ी है बचपन से, और ऊपर से उसका बाप मर गया एक दिन पहले। अभी तो उसके बाप का फ्यूनरल नहीं हुआ है अभी। और ये महाशय वहां जाके ज्ञान की पत्ती क्यों जिंदगी किसी। हाँ, तुमसे पूछा किसी ने तुमसे कि उसको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना। उसको वो खुद भी, मुझे पता है कि वो खुद भी चाहती थी। उसकी जिंदगी इतनी खराब है, वो इतनी एजुकेटेड है, वो ये है वो है फलाना, मैं सब कुछ समझ आ रहा, ठीक है। even if it's logical, even if it's the most correct way for a person to, even if it is, even if even if it is too clear that a person you are seeing right now should die, should took a wrong step, but you are not, you should not be, you should not be doing this. लाइक हाँ बिल्कुल, ये तो वही बात हुई कि मुझे किसी की ज़िंदगी खराब लग रही है और मुझे लग रहा है कि भाई मतलब कोई और होता तो इसकी जगह मर जाता, तो मैं उसको जाके बोलूँगी भाई तू मर जा। अरे क्या है, क्यों, क्यों भाई, किसी की ज़िंदगी कितनी भी खराब चल रही है, तुम बिल्कुल कभी कभी किसी की ज़िंदगी इतनी ज़्यादा खराब हो सकती है कि आप उसको ये नहीं बोल सकते हो कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा, या फिर हाँ बिल्कुल दिलासा नहीं दे सकते हो आप, क्योंकि उसकी ज़िंदगी सच में बहुत खराब चल रही है। लेकिन इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी कि आप उसको जाके बोलोगे जा तुम मरी जा। भाई इंसानियत नाम की कोई चीज़ होती है कि नहीं होती है? तुझे बुलाया था उसने, तेरे से सलाह मांगी थी उसने, तो तू क्यों गया था वहां पे उसको बोलने के लिए कि सब कुछ छोड़ो और जाओ जाके पानी में छलांग लग दे? ऐसा नहीं होता है भाई, ऐसे नहीं होता है। दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम गेटिंग एंग्री और अ सिंगल पेज ऑफ अ बुक। लाइक भाई तू चाहता क्या था, तू क्या सोच के गया था वहां पे? बिल्कुल उस बेचारी की जिंदगी को तो नीच आदमी ने पूरा के पूरा प्रैक्टिकल पेपर बना के रख दिया। भाई हर किसी की जिंदगी तेरे तेरे एग्जामिनेशन के लिए नहीं है। Maybe I'm feeling better now. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Thank you.